Tom, you missed the last squad with injury. Is it good to be back?
Yeah, it's great to be back. Coming away with the lads and representing your country, there's no better feeling, and the togetherness in this squad is unrivaled. It's nothing like I've ever had before. I think the closest was probably Wales under 21s. So yeah, you love coming away. You know, you look at a lot of the lads here more as a family than teammates. So yeah, it's always an honour to come away. Like I said, goes beyond teammates and whatnot. You get real close to people. You know, some camps go on for 2 weeks or longer, you know, especially when there's travelling, and before COVID, you know, room sharing and that, you build a lot of bonds that you wouldn't normally do at club level as well. So, yeah, I do think it helps.
In the short term, 3 big games coming up. We've got the friendly first and the 2 Nations League games, top of the league. Great chance to finish top and go up to Group A and benefit, you know, the squad, Welsh football generally all over.
Yeah. I think ever since the gaffer's come in, we've set ourselves high standards. I remember one of the first meetings he'd done, he laid out a few things that he wanted from the campaign, and they're kind of similar throughout every campaign. They're high targets. When he first turned them over, I thought, wow, that's going to be tough, but that's the kind of standards we're setting here, and that's what we're going to achieve. So yeah, we know what we've got to do. There's 3 tough games coming up, but we'll prepare right like we always do, go into it full of confidence.
In terms of, for years, the partnership at the heart of the defence, international defence, it was Ashley Williams and James Chester, obviously no longer around, but there seems to be this huge competition for places now in the position that you play in. Is that a good thing? Is it a great challenge for you all?
Yeah, I think obviously mentioning them two, they were my idols when I was watching back in the Euros. You know, I was watching in a fan park with my mates with a couple of beers, so to actually get involved in with all that was something I never thought was possible. It didn't even cross my mind that, oh, you know, I'd love to get involved in that. I was just a fan, I was just enjoying it. And like you said, now the competition for places, I don't think it's just centre back, I think it's all over. I think that's what the gaffer wanted when he come in, and he certainly created that. And you know, it's probably a nice headache for him to have. You know, no player wants to be sitting on the bench and watching others, so everyone's going to give their all in training, and especially when they go away with their clubs as well. The friendships you build here, obviously I'd rather be playing, but there's no bitterness or anything like that. Everyone's pulling in the same direction, which at the end of the day I think is great.